Welcome back, guys, to this build video. As you can see, this is a Sith Trooper. Man oh man, this thing is a headache. I've been trying to figure out how to fix this helmet. As you can see, this thing is missing some parts. It's missing this piece, the other side, some in the back, right here. I keep thinking, how do I fix this? How do I reinforce the missing pieces on this? Because if I were just to apply this filler primer, this is a liquid base, it would just drip right out of that little hole right here. Look at that. Same thing on the other side. So I was thinking maybe just use the spot putty first as a foundation. Put it on the inside of the helmet. You know, put a lot in there. Let it bleed through the hole, and then just sand it down when it dries. And then from there, fill the primer. Just put a lot. This time I think I might use the whole bottle to just cover all these imperfection. At first I was gonna put this on. First I was gonna put it, the first thing, right on the missing piece right here. But then I thought if I were to put them on now, fuse it with the helmet, and use the fill primer, it would cover this nice detail. I like that detail right here. You can see. Let me focus. It's like checkered, detailed. I like that. So I think I will put this last. So once I apply these on the inside, reinforce the missing gaps. The gaps right here. There's gaps everywhere. My goodness. Yeah. So once I put that, put filler primer, and hopefully we push through. I don't know, I'm iffy with this helmet. I haven't had this type of a helmet before, this bad. Again, I put this spot putty on the top, not because of the layer line, because it's just so weak. I couldn't use my palm sander here. I usually use this to quickly take out the layer lines, and I can't because it's just so weak. It could, if I were to put pressure right here, I could hear a crack. Oh my goodness. Alright, I hope my strategy works. If it doesn't, no, it will work. It has to work. Alright, let's start with a spot putty. Let's go. Let's go. Don't lose hope. Yeah. Alright, first things first. PPE, personal protective equipment. You wear gloves. This thing is yucky. And it doesn't smell too bad, but I would recommend using a mask when you sand it. But I think I should be okay if I were just to apply it. Alright, let's go. Start this project. morning, guys. It's the next day. Last night I applied the spot putty on the gaps. So far it looks pretty good. Dried up overnight. Look at that right there. So hopefully that would reinforce the gaps here. There's just so many, so I had to make sure it dries up. So I left it overnight. And then we will go with the filler primer. Try to smooth out all these layer lines, maybe, and then sand it. Hopefully everything goes well, and we'll go from there. I got my hat. We'll be doing this outside. I don't want none of these filler primer in my hair. And of course my cappuccino. Alright, let's go. Okay, before I apply the filler primer, I wanted to clean up a bit the spot putty. It's a bit nasty looking. I wanted to make it more smooth. Okay, here, have that janky and nasty look. So I want to smooth it out first before I apply this, and we'll go from there. Don't forget your PPE, mask, and gloves. Let's go. Okay, I did the best I can to get all the layer lines off. This was a bit of challenge, like I said before. As you can see, I think it's pretty good. We're gonna move on to the best part. Spray paint, yeah. On this one, on this particular helmet, I decided, previously I picked this color, the Iron Man color red, but when I checked the reference photo online, you can see here, it's a bit matte red. I can't explain it. So I went and I went to Walmart and test some spray paint, and I checked out this Colonial Red Rust-Oleum, and this one seems pretty good. It's about same red on this reference photo right here. And also, if I were to use this Iron Man red, I would be using 2 cans, the red, the gold one, and the metal cast duplicolor. I bought these from O'Reilly Auto Parts. This is 12 bucks. This is 8 bucks. As opposed to this, 4 bucks. You see where I'm going here? Less work, and this This metal cast, oh my gosh, it loves to run. Here, let me show you. See right here? Come on, focus, focus, focus. It loves to run, so you gotta be very careful using this spray can. Yeah, right there. So you gotta apply very light coat of this, or it will run and ruin your color scheme. Okay, so we decided to go with this red. What do you guys think? I think it's a good color, plus less work. Okay, let's go paint. Alright, paint is done. Now I'm gonna recap the game plan. That was, you're gonna, as you can see, this missing spot right here, and on the other side, right there. And I'm gonna use this material right here. This is what you get when you use wrap, or when you print your helmet or anything you want, like an armor or anything. When it sits on the printing bed, it makes a little adhesion for the bed to sit on, and this is what you get. I like the texture, as you can see here. Let me focus it. See that checkered looking? I like that, so I'm gonna use this. Probably eyeball it a bit, and then cut it. Paint this black. Take this off. This part right here is black. This part right here is black. Black, black, and then the visor. And maybe if I'm not too lazy, I will paint this gap right here black. If I'm not, but yep, that's the game plan. I think the black kind of framed the whole red color a lot better. So as if you were to just leave it like this, it's kind of plain. I mean, it's nice and shiny, yeah, but I think the black kind of gives the red a pop, if you know what I mean. Okay, we'll see once it's done. Let's tape it up. Let's go. Alright, taped it all up, and it's time to paint. But first, I want to show you how it looks. Look at that. I added the paper towel to absorb a little bit of the overspray. See right here, right there. Let's just hold it. See, like there. Yeah, you want to avoid any overspray, because You know, you don't want to ruin your color scheme. Right there, all the black, whatever's not covered is gonna be black. All right, you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Woo-wee, man, this was a big challenge. Finally, it's done. As you can see here, nice and shiny, red. The black makes the red pop. As you can see, like I said before, look at that. All right, first, let's do a helmet test. Put him on. Man, oh man, this thing is just... Can't believe I was able to finish this. Even now, this thing is weak. If I were to just put my finger here and press enough, my finger might go through in there. The fill primer kept it all together. The spot putty, I did reinforce it a bit, but I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't drop this or anything like that. It probably just collapse on itself. I use a visor, the leftover visor on this. Like I said before, the plastic solder, the missing part right inside. Wow, this is just an amazing. It turned out so nice. The video doesn't do it justice. It's just shiny. I like everything shiny, if you can tell. Well, there's another one on the books. I'm trying to do all Star Wars this month. Hopefully I'll be able to go through. On the next one would be, I hope it would be Boba Fett, and then a Mandalorian helmet on the next episodes. So I hope you guys stick around for that. I try to do all Star Wars this month. Make a playlist. So I hope you guys enjoy, as I did, as always. Let's do another one next time. I'll see you guys. Alright, let's go.